So carbon is being one of the nutrients that's needed for all living organisms to grow, is constantly being recycled. If we look at, first of all, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, we want to see how that is initially absorbed and then released back into the atmosphere. So carbon, being the most abundant element on Earth, is needed for all organic compounds like proteins, carbohydrates and fats. So it's needed for life of all living things. And the first places where we see that being laid down is photosynthesis. So plants being the primary producers will absorb that carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis. That is built up from glucose and starch, and those plants themselves are living. So we see then that they respire, putting carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Also, the plants themselves are fed upon by other animals. So they too will put in carbon dioxide into the atmosphere through the process of respiration. We also see the plants themselves, who initially provided the food, will eventually die themselves, and they will decay, and they are decayed by microbes feeding on them through the process of decomposition, and that too puts carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Also, we see the process of fossilization over millions of years. That puts carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere when we burn the fossil fuels by combustion. So you can see that we have, through feeding, through death and decay, fossilization, combustion, the animals respiring and the plants respiring. 6 positions on this cycle put carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. There is only one place where the plants absorb that carbon dioxide, and that is a balanced system that produces enough carbon dioxide and releases enough